Namaste students, welcome back to English grammar class. Today we are going to learn conditional clause or if clause. There are three types of conditional clauses. Let us see. Conditional sentence with if. Conditional sentence are also known as conditional clause or if clause. Okay children, conditional clause, otherwise if clause. Why we are saying conditional clause? Because some conditions have to be fulfilled here. They are used to express the action in the main clause. Without if can only take place if a certain condition in the clause with if is fulfilled. Why it is called conditional clause? It expresses the action in the main clause can only take place if certain condition is fulfilled. We can divide into two. One is main clause. Main clause means without if, it has complete sense meaning. One is if clause. So, certain condition has to be fulfilled. There are three types of conditional sentences. Conditional sentence type 1. It is possible and also very likely that the condition will be fulfilled. Shortly we can say open condition. Okay. സാധാരണமான நடைபெறக்கூடிய conditions. That is conditional sentence type 1. It is possible and also very likely that the condition will be fulfilled. Open condition. For example, if I find her address, I will send her an invitation. Okay. This is normal only, open condition, possible. If I find her address, I will send her an invitation. Another, can you say, if you study well, you will pass. Here, if I find her address is if clause. I will send her an invitation is main clause. Okay, this is the type 1. Are you clear children? That is open condition. If plus subject plus present tense. Another example, if it rains, it is present. The main clause will be in future. The match will be cancelled. You can see this example. If I find her address, find is present tense. I will send her an invitation. Will send, that is future. If clause is in present tense, main clause in future. Okay children, this is the first conditional types. Type 1. Main clause is in future and if clause is in present tense. Okay. That is probable condition or open condition. Okay. Possible we can say. Second one, conditional sentence type 2. It is possible but very unlikely that the condition will be fulfilled. We can say it as imaginary condition also. Okay. The first sentence itself we can change. First condition we say, if I find her address, I will send her an invitation. The second type or sentence type 2, if I found her address, I would send her an invitation. See, if clause part is if I found her address, main clause I would send her invitation. So, this is we can say imaginary condition. Another example I say, if I were a bird. If I am a bird? No, I am not a bird. I am a human being. So, it is imaginary. We are imagining that state. If I were a bird, I would fly. So, here past tense will come. In if clause, past tense will come and main clause would will come. Okay children? Imaginary condition. If plus subject plus simple past tense. In main clause, subject plus would plus verb. This is the type 2. Type 2, possible but very unlikely that the condition will be fulfilled. Sometimes it is imaginary condition. I told one example, if I were a bird, I would fly. Okay. Here also we can say, if you studied well, you would pass. Now we can go to third condition. Conditional sentence type 3. This is unfulfilled condition or impossible. It is impossible that the condition will be fulfilled because it refers to the past. It is over. It is past. Action completed. So we can't fulfill that. So it is called unfulfilled condition. Here one example is given. If I had found her address, I would have sent her an invitation. It is over. I didn't find, here the meaning is, I didn't find her address. I didn't send her an invitation. That only we combine using if I had. நான் அவளோட அட்ரஸ் கிடச்சிருந்தால், ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணியிருந்தால், I would have sent her invitation. இன்விடேஷன் அனுப்பி இருப்பேன். நான் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணவும் இல்லை, இன்விடேஷன் அனுப்பவும் இல்லை. Both are negative or it is past. It is impossible condition, unfulfilled condition. Okay. Subject plus here past perfect tense. If I had, past perfect tense only, had found. If I had found her address, in main clause subject plus would plus have plus past participle. Okay children. Here if clause we have 3 types. Type 1 possible condition or open condition. Type 2 imaginary condition. Type 3 unfulfilled condition or impossible condition. Here one table is given. Type if clause, main clause. Clearly you can understand with one table it is given. Simple present tense. First, normally if you study well, you will pass. Here it is given, if I study, I will pass the exam. If clause is in which tense? If clause is in present tense. Study is present tense. Main clause in future tense. I will pass the exam. If I study, I will pass the exam. This is the first type. Second type, simple past. Main clause would plus infinitive. If I studied well, past tense. Simple past, studied. Simple, if clause or conditional clause in past tense, simple past tense. Main clause in would plus infinitive. I would pass the exam. Okay. If I studied well, I would pass the exam. Okay, third type. If I had studied, what tense it is? Past perfect tense. Main clause, I would have passed the exam. Here, exam over, studies over. He didn't pass. நான் நன்றாக படிச்சிருந்தால் பாஸ் ஆயிருந்திருப்பேன். So, here past perfect tense is used in the if clause. If I had studied, main clause would plus have plus past participle. If I had studied well, I would have passed the exam. I think it is clear for you. And another thing, when the main clause takes a negative verb, use not after would. Okay. If it is negative, after would only you want to add wouldn't have plus V3. Okay children. Is it clear for you? 3 conditions. Type 1 open condition. Type 2 imaginary condition. Type 3 unfulfilled condition. First type, if I study well, I will pass the exam. Second type, if first simple present tense, will plus infinitive. Type 2 simple past tense, if I studied well, I would pass the exam, would plus infinitive. If clause in past perfect tense, if I had studied, it is past perfect tense. This is unfulfilled condition. Main clause would plus have plus past participle. If I had studied, I would have passed the exam. Here some exercise have been given. Shall we go to that? Complete the conditional sentence. Decide whether to use type 1, type 2 or type 3. Okay. If I had time, I dash shopping with you. Can you say the answer? If I had time. What is the answer? Had in this sentence is in simple past tense. Am I correct? In past perfect tense also we are using had, but near the had we want to need V3 form. Here no V3 form, only noun only. If I had time, so it is simple past tense. What will come? Simple past tense which condition? Second condition. Okay. If I had time, I would go shopping with you. Okay, children. Second one. If you dash English, you will get along with them perfectly. See, in the main clause will came. So, in if clause what will come? Speak. Simple present tense. If you speak English, you will get along with them perfectly. Okay, third one. If they had gone for a walk, what tense it is? Past perfect tense, because they had gone. Had plus V3. They would have turned the lights off. Okay, children. If third condition, past perfect tense is in the if clause, you should use would plus have plus past participle. So, they would have turned. What is the V3 form? Turned the light off. Okay, children. Fourth one. If she dash to see us, we will go to the zoo. Okay, here we will in main clause. So, it is first condition. If she comes, here you want to listen one thing. The subject is third person singular. Which are the third person singular subjects? He, she, it. Here she comes. So, you want to write comes. If you write come, it is wrong. Listen carefully and write the answer. If she comes to see us, we will go to the zoo. Fifth one. I would have told you. What tense it is? Can you say? Yes, it is past perfect tense. So, main if clause is in would plus I would have told you if I had seen him. Here, some change is there. Past perfect tense in if clause. Okay. I would have told you if I had seen him. Okay, children. Okay, next. Choose the best answer. I will come if I time. I have time because will. I have time. Okay, children. Option A. Next. If he is late, we dash without him. If he is late, we dash. We will start without him. He is late. There is present tense. If he is late, we will start without him. Okay. Third one. If you dash me, I would tell you. Would is there. So, you want to use past tense there. If you asked me, I would tell you. Okay. Fourth one. Will it be alright if I dash a friend tonight? What is the answer? Will it be? So, will is there. So, I bring a friend tonight. Okay. Fifth one. If you dash to learn a musical instrument, you have to practice. If you want to learn a musical instrument, you have to practice, children. And match the following also there. If they worked hard, what will come? Can you say? Yes, they would win because they worked hard. Worked is past tense. So, they would win. If I invite Shalini, invite, what tense it is? Simple present tense. So, she will come to our party. Third one, if I had got enough money, if I had got, that is past perfect tense. So, answer is I would have brought these shoes. Okay, another exercise is also there. fill in the blanks with correct verb forms. If you dash out with your friends tonight, I dash the football match on TV. If you go out with your friends tonight, I will watch the football match on TV. Second one, if he dash harder, he dash his goals. If he tried harder, he would reach his goals. Third one, if we dash to the radio, we dash the news. If we listen to the radio, we will hear the news. Okay, children, I think you understood if clause. How many types of if clause there? 3 types of sentences. One is open condition. Second, imaginary condition. Third, unfulfilled condition. First condition, if clause, another name is subordinate clause. Okay, if clause or subordinate clause. One is main clause. Open condition, if it rains, the match will be cancelled. Okay, imaginary condition another, if I were you, I would accept the job. Unfulfilled, if I had known, I would have visited you. Okay, children, thank you. You should write all the exercise in your notebooks. Be safe, children. Thank you.